Welcome to another quick tutorial. This one will be about looping clips or looping videos. So as you can see here in my timeline, I have several clips in here. And if I'm around here, let's say, and I want to loop the video, I can hit the Command key and L on the keyboard. This will create this little loop symbol here, as you can see. Command L takes it off. Command L again turns it on. This will loop the video. Now if I press the spacebar, it will loop the entire video, and when it finishes, it will go back to the beginning. That's fine if you want that. If you only want to loop one clip, you can select it and you just press the question mark button on the keyboard or the slash key next to the right shift key. You press that and it just loops that one video. Don't forget to ensure that the loop function is turned on first. Thanks guys, appreciate your time. Please like, subscribe and share this video if it was of value. Thank you.